Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to replace your armrests on a Honda. Mine's a 2008 Civic. Yeah, we're just replacing that leather cover. So first thing is we're going to prise off this back panel just using a flathead screwdriver. We just go at it at one side all the way down to the bottom until we're happy with it. And then we'll do the other side. So we'll put that to one side and then open the lid to the armrest. And then there's these two T15 torx head screws which you can take off to access the inside of the panel. You'll be using the same T15 head driver for the whole disassembly process and assembly. So what we're going to do is just take the whole armrest assembly apart so that we can easily access the inner mechanism. So we'll be taking off this pin which the armrest rotates on, along with the spring as well. So we can access the pin from the side here, and we'll use I've got like a Allen key which you can just hammer into it just to drive it out of there. So we've got half of it, and then on the other side we can pull it out with the pliers. We'll just leave those in there. So this is the old and this is the new. So there's 4 screws on this sliding mechanism. There's 2 on the right, and there's 2 on the left side when you slide it backwards. And you pull the handle up and then you can see those, and we're going to start with unscrewing those first. There's one side and there's the other, and we'll slide it forward and we can access the last 2 screws. Again, these are the T15 torx screws. So you have to pull the whole mechanism back and it will unhook from the rack and pinion, as you can see. So there's just 6 more screws left, and then we can replace the armrest cover. And there it is, easy enough. And we'll change that out now for the new one. So the right side is you'll see there's a curved side and you just locate that with the curved side on the armrest cover as well. We'll just fasten those 6 screws back up now. So we'll go ahead and grab the mechanism and we'll attach the rack and pinion, get that mechanism located again. So we just need to slide the rack into the pinion gear, and there's like a little slot, you'll see. Yeah, just feed that in there. There'll be a bit of resistance, but just keep pushing. And then you have to feed it into this slot here. So we'll align the metal plates on this slider mechanism. We'll align those on the same side as on the left side, as you can see. We'll fix those 2 screws in. Then slide it back and fix the other 2, which we can now access. Then slide the mechanism forward again, and we'll get the spring and pin ready. So I'd go ahead and get the armrest in place first, and get the pin at least started in the hole, and then when you've got it all straightened up, just push that in. You could even use the pliers to do that. You'll need to feed it in so that it's all the way through the 2 holes. And we just need to push in the underside panel for the armrest. Slot that in, and we'll have that ready for the 2 screws. We'll fasten that up, and that'll be that done. Last thing is the exterior sort of panel, and we just need to start from the bottom up. Just make sure you get it located at the bottom, and it's a press fit, so just push hard into it. And that's that. Hope this video helps you guys. Give me a comment or a thumbs up, and hope you have a good day.